The H.J. Andrews Experimental Forest in the Oregon Cascades has been home to the study of forest and stream ecosystems since 1948. In the summer of 2023, the Lookout Fire burned with variable severity in about 70% of the 16,000-acre forest. This video, captured on June 12, 2024, at key sites with histories of long-term research, prompts questions for future storytelling. How has the fire transformed stream ecology and forest-stream interactions in old and young forests here on Mack Creek, where studies span 50 years? How has the fire transformed forest structure, composition, and function? How will the relationship between people and the forest be changed by this fire and prospects for future fires, especially in these times of climate change? How has the fire affected the roles of dead wood in the forest, including in this log decomposition experiment site dating from 1985? The Lookout Fire is sending the Andrews Forest community of inquiry on some new paths into the future.